So have we hit the bottom when it comes to ADA? All right, that's a very interesting question. Okay, we've had several discussions about this lately, and me personally, I think the bottom is in. I think we've seen probably the lowest ADA that we'll see ever again. Okay, many disagree. Many think that we still may go down to the 20-cent range, the 17-cent range, but what people need to realize is how bad things have actually been during these times. But yet, ADA has been resilient and it's held up. Okay, we've had countless rejections of spot Bitcoin ETFs. We've had the SEC coming after everyone. We've had large entities that have gone under with large bags that we know are going to be dumped on the market. But yet, the market's not pulling back. Despite macro factors outside of crypto, the economy being in not that great a shape, we've been strong. BTC at 27K, about to close the first green September we've had in 7 years. There is a lot of strength in this market that I think some people seem to underestimate. And right now, ADA seems to be changing trends. All right. You guys can obviously see, I'm going to draw this out here. We've been, moving to the downside. We've been stuck in this wedge for a very long period of time. We've gone above, but we gotten rejected, continue to move down. But now we're forming this nice, steady turnaround here. In fact, we've printed a nice, solid green weekly candle that, it's a big candle, guys. We are slowly creeping to the upside. In fact, we're pushing past this descending or this broadening wedge that we started creating back in mid-August. Okay, times are changing. We are about to see, I think, a big movement in terms of the crypto market. I've gone back and said that, I wish I had the BTC charts up. I've had trouble figuring out whether we were going to do what we did in, 2019 or if we were going to do what we did back in 2015. All right. You can see at the end of 2019, we kind of fell down to close out the month. We did go a little bit of a rally before a pullback, which that is completely possible. But that obviously then if you go back to late 2015, we climbed to close the year. And right now, it seems like all that can really happen from a broader market standpoint, from a macro standpoint, is things getting better, right? Spot Bitcoin ETF approvals, wins versus the SEC in the Ripple v SEC case, okay? SEC being stripped of powers, quantitative easing, right? There's a lot of things that could, in fact, get better. And I would argue, in fact, there are a lot more things that could improve that would obviously benefit the entire crypto market. So we'll obviously have disagreements, right? You may think it may go lower. That's fine. Okay. Me personally, I'm buying a lot here. All right. In fact, I've been waiting for Q4 to cut payroll so I can buy a lot more crypto. And obviously Q4 is just in a couple days. So I'm very excited to do so. ADA is going to be something that I add heavily to my bag because, right now, every $1,000, you get 4,000 ADA. That is a massive discount, especially compared to what the all-time high was. And I've talked about, what I think the likelihood of ADA going to all-time highs is. Again, I think it's very, very possible, very likely with the great things that are happening. As always, this is not financial advice, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to hear your thoughts. I want to hear if you think the bottom is in fact in, or if you think we still have some downside here to close out the year. So appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.